Right, good afternoon. We're out for another walk. Yeah, it's late afternoon, or possibly classes as early evening. It's getting towards 6 o'clock. And the aim this evening is to go to two places. First of all, to the Combe Gill mill, which, yeah, if we turn round, yeah, it's behind me over there in the trees, that's where we're going to work to first. And hopefully we'll get some nice pictures there. It's one of my more favourite places to go. I'm not quite sure how much water it'll be in. I've been numerous times, but I've never actually vlogged going here, so that's the plan today. That's why I've got my wellies on. You maybe saw on an earlier shot I've got wellies on. That's so I can go into the river and get some pictures. So yeah, we'll go in then, and then we're going to follow the footpath right up the valley behind us and go to Tarn at Leaves. So we'll go up there. I've been a couple of times, again never particularly vlogged it, so yeah, we'll go and see what we can get up there. And you never know, might get a good sunset. The only problem we've got the walk up to Tarn of Leaves is, although there's a definite path on the map and it's obvious where you're going, the actual path sometimes peters out and disappears into nothing. So anyway, we'll see how we get on, and we'll see you when we get to the Combe Gill mill. Right, as you can see, we now got to Combe Gill, and if we just turn around here a little bit, coming round, following the gill down, and there we are, Combe Gill mill. So I think we're going to maybe try, I've been here a few times and taken quite a few different compositions, normally further down the gill looking back up, but I just thought I would see if we can get a composition looking the other way. Anyway, we'll have a mooch around with the camera, try and work out a composition, and then we'll catch up with you a little later. Right, well here we are with our first composition, getting the river in down there, and then obviously the water mill in the background. Yeah, right, as you can see from the back of the camera, the core shot is a 1/10 of a second, f11 100 ISO, but it is a bracketed shot. Not so much at this moment, but when I took the shot, there was a lot of sun on the actual watermill, so it was a high dynamic range. It's gone in a bit now, so I might take some more shots with just the normal shutter speed, but I might also put a filter on just to slow it down, see what effects we can get. So yeah, I'll take a few more shots, and whatever's best I'll put up on the video after this, and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, they do often say in photography, don't forget to look behind you. And behind where I took the last shot is this, I wouldn't call it a waterfall, cascade. So I've set that up as my next composition. I've tried various settings. Just first off the straightforward setting, but I decided that just coming above the camera here, see the composition, decided that come on camera, come on. Yeah, decided possibly could do with the polarizer and a little bit slower, so I put the polarizer on and did a 0.4 of a second, and I've now upped the ISO, up the f-stop to f16 and doing 0.8 of a second. So Right, so we'll just take the shots at that speed now, and then what we'll do, whichever looks best, we'll put up on the video after this. I'm not quite sure whether I'm going to drop down and try and take some more, or whether I'm going to head up off to Tarn at Leaves. So, but anyway, if that's any good, we'll put up on the video after this. So see you shortly. Right, oh, nearly there. It's been a bit of a slog, but what I've been trying to do is constantly check that I'm on the path, so I can work out where the path actually goes, and in future times to come up, be able to actually follow the path, because I'll know where it is. It's not easy, you're constantly going off it, but hopefully if I come up enough times I'll get used to it, and hopefully as we come over here we'll be getting to see the Tarn. Right, whoa, there it is. Right, we've come to a bit of a high point here. Right, anyway, that's the Tarn, so we're going to wander down, see what possible compositions there is, and then we'll head back. Sun's starting to go behind the hills now, so there's not an awful lot of time, and don't particularly want to be going down in when it gets too dark. So yeah, we'll see you shortly. Right, you can see I've worked out a composition here, looking with the Tarn and Rosthwaite Fell, or the highest point in Rosthwaite Fell, behind the Tarn, or well, slightly to the right, and directly behind the Tarn in the distance you can see, I'll maybe mark it on the video, the Langdale pikes. I think it might be Pike of Briscoe, but I'm not quite sure, so I'll put the name on there right in the distance. And there's a bit of sun as it's going down on the rocks, and as you can see from the back of the camera, that's fairly standard, 100 ISO, f11 and a 1/13 of a second. That's the shot I've taken. The cloud's moving a bit, so I might try a couple of long exposures, and whichever's best we'll put up after this. So anyway, we'll see you shortly. Right, we're going to sign off here. I'm going to head back now. There's still a little bit of colour in the sky, particularly if we look up behind. I don't know whether you can see the colour there, but the light's starting to go a little bit, and I'm aware I've got to get down, and it's not the easiest of paths. So if you watched the video to this point, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Try and put a video out every Sunday at 5 o'clock. That's the plan. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Certainly if you've enjoyed it, click the thumbs up, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. Please comment if there's anything you think is worthy of comment, or if there's anything you'd like me to do, or places in the Lake District in particular you'd like me to go to, and show you the walk and the images you can get. So yeah, it's getting a little bit cooler now, so as I say, we're going to head back to the van and home. So I'll sign off here. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.